Welcome back, third grade scientists. Today you will begin your new unit, Unit 5, on the human senses and movement. So today we'll review some important vocabulary words that will be included in today's lesson. We will review together the academic and content vocabulary for this unit of study. We will study word meanings and look at examples to help you understand the work you will be doing during your science lessons this week. Let's get going. We will review the academic and content vocabulary. Academic can be found in your questions and focuses for the lessons. They can be used across subject areas. Your content words will be the words that are specific to the human senses and movement lessons. Academic vocabulary. These are some of your lesson objectives or focuses for today. Observe visible body parts involved in the return of a served table tennis ball and explain their functions. You see the word functions in red. In addition to sight and hearing, what is another sense that enables the child to juggle the balls? Enables is also in red. Let's think about the words function and enable. Take a moment and think about whether or not you've ever heard these words before or used them before, and what do you think they mean? Function is a noun. Function is the purpose or the role an object or person fulfills or is suited for. Take a look at this example. What is the function of this object? In other words, what is it used for? Well, this is an umbrella, and the use or function of an umbrella is to keep you dry outside in the rain. Enable. Enable is a verb or an action word. It means to give power to or to make able. What does this object enable us to do? Well, it's a light bulb. And I know I turn on a light inside my house when it's hard to see and I need the light to help me see. That's what a light bulb enables me to do. Content vocabulary. Let's take a look at some of the important content words for this week's lesson. These are some words that you will learn about during your lesson this week: perception, react, nerves, and serve. Take a moment, another moment, stop and think whether or not you have ever heard or read these words somewhere before. Can you think about what they mean or give any examples? Perception is a noun. It is the ability to become aware of or know through the senses. For example, if someone had a poor perception of sound, he or she may need to use this. They may need a hearing aid to help them hear better because they have poor perception of the sound entering their ears. Just like a person who has poor perception of their vision and sight may need glasses to see better. React is a verb or an action word. It means to act or feel a certain way in response to something. If you touch something hot and it burned your finger, how would you react? Your reaction might be to say, ouch, that hurt. That's how you acted and that was your response to something hurting, such as touching something hot and burning your skin. That was a reaction to the feeling of pain. Nerves. Nerves is also a noun. Your nerves are any of the fibers that carry messages to and from the brain and other parts of the body. If you injure your nerves, it could make it difficult for you to feel hot and cold. Nerves enable us to feel hot, cold, the sensation of something feeling nice or painful, and they look like this complicated web throughout our body. Serve is a verb and it has several different meanings. The meaning we're going to focus on today is in a tennis game, it means to hit the ball to begin a point. In a tennis match and other games like table tennis and volleyball. This is an example of somebody serving the ball in a table tennis game. These were some awesome words for our first lesson in this unit. Now that you're familiar with these awesome words, you'll be able to use them and understand them during your learning. Keep up the great work, third grade scientists.